Hi guys, here is insomnia tip number 2. Can't sleep? Your screen might be the cause of the problem. When you stare at your phone, your laptop, or your tablet at night, you're exposed to blue light. Blue light tells your brain that it's daytime, so it suppresses melatonin, the hormone that helps you fall asleep. Studies show that using screens within an hour of bedtime can reduce total sleep time, reduce the quality of sleep, and delay onset of sleep. The solution? Turn off all screens at least 1 hour before bedtime. That's it. Very simple. We should maintain good levels of melatonin to sleep better and live better. If you'd like to review the first insomnia tip, please click the link in the caption. Bye!